Hush 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 ** Summary of The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel **. The Psychology of Money ** explores how people think about, manage, and relate to money. Unlike traditional finance books that focus on mathematical formulas and investment strategies, this book dives into the emotional and psychological factors that influence financial decisions. Here's a simple summary of the key ideas. Hush 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 1. **** No one's crazy ***. People make financial decisions based on their personal experiences, upbringing, and unique perspectives. Two individuals can have completely different views on money due to their life experiences, and neither is necessarily wrong. Hush 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 2. ***, Luck and risk ***. Success in finance often involves a mix of luck and risk. Avoid assuming that wealth is only a result of smart decisions or that failure is only due to mistakes. Example: Bill Gates' success was partly luck, like having access to a computer at a young age. Hush 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 3. ***, The power of compounding ***. Small, consistent actions over time can lead to massive results. Warren Buffett's wealth is largely due to the power of compounding over many decades. The lesson: start early and be patient. Hush 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 4. ***, Save money, no matter what ***. Saving is not about how much you earn but about how much you save. Savings provide flexibility, security, and the ability to take advantage of opportunities. Hush 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 5. ***, Freedom is the ultimate goal ***. True wealth is the ability to control your time and make choices freely. The happiest people often have the freedom to do what they want, when they want. Hush 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 6. ***, The seduction of pessimism ***. Negative news often sounds smarter and more credible than positive news. In finance, optimism about growth and recovery is usually more profitable. Hush 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 7. ***, Avoid extreme financial decisions ***. Don't swing between extremes, like being overly frugal or spending recklessly. Sustainable and balanced financial habits lead to better long-term outcomes. Hush 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 8. ***, Be reasonable, not rational ***. Financial decisions should balance logic and emotions. Example: paying off a mortgage early might not be the most rational financial move, but it can offer peace of mind. Hush 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 9. ***, The importance of margin of safety ***. Always leave room for error in investments and financial planning. A margin of safety helps you survive unexpected risks. Hush 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 10. ***, Wealth versus rich ***. Being rich means having a lot of money right now. Being wealthy means having the freedom to sustain your lifestyle for the long term. Focus on building wealth, not just showing off riches. Hush 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 ***, Conclusion ***. Money management is more about behavior than knowledge. Small habits, a long-term focus, and understanding your personal relationship with money can lead to financial success. If you need a deeper explanation of any part, just ask.